If you have this at home, do not throw it away. If you have been throwing it away, you have been throwing the most powerful part of the avocado. That big seed in between your avocado that you always put inside dustbin is a nuclear bomb for hair growth nutrients. Soaking it in water unlocks insane benefits, and I bet you didn't know about it. Today I'm going to show you how to use it to get the most healthiest, longest and the thickest hair you ever wished for. All you need to do is stay with me to the end, like and comment on this video. This seed right here is packed with collagen boosting compounds. It contains 70% more antioxidant than the flesh you eat. We are talking about flavonoids, polyphenols, vitamin E that can destroy free radicals. Free radicals are the reason why your scalp ages quickly, shrinks and stops producing hair. This seed water tells them to wake up, it is time to grow. First thing we need to do is to shred it in order to infuse properly. This is to bring it to a smaller size. You can cut it with a knife or you can even go ahead and blend it a bit. This seed increases blood circulation on the scalp. The active compound in this seed are vasodilators. This means that they force the blood vessels on your scalp to open wider. More blood rushing through your follicles means more oxygen, more nutrients flowing through your scalp and roots. Your hair goes from starving to feasting in minutes. This seed has a DHT blocking energy. DHT is a hormone that strangles your hair follicle and causes hair thinning. This seed contains compounds that are known for fighting DHT on the scalp. If there's no DHT soaking your hair root, follicle stays in the growth phase 24/7. This seed also detoxifies the scalp. Dandruff, build-up, clogged follicle. This seed water has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can wipe out all the build-up, yeast, fungi that are suffocating your scalp. A clean scalp ensures that new hair growth can actually grow through. This seed contains amino acid and biotin overload. When you soak the seed in water, it leaches B vitamins and amino acid into the water. Those are the vital building block for keratin, which is basically the protein your hair is made out of. You are literally feeding your hair with the exact thing in it. My advice to you is to always keep your avocado seed. After eating it, do not throw it away. Just find somewhere to store them. Keep it under the sun to dry and then store it because you're gonna need it. You notice how the seed went from white to orange real quick. Now let me explain exactly what is happening. The main reason it changes color real fast is because of oxidation. Avocado seeds are loaded with polyphenols. Think of polyphenols as a seed defense system. They are antioxidants that protect it from bugs, bacteria and damages. What happens when you cut it is that once you slice the seed, you break down the plant cells. The polyphenols inside the seed meets oxygen from the air. It is more like the polyphenol oxidizes, wake up and goes to work. It turns those colorless polyphenol into powerful compound called quinones. Once you cut it between 5 to 10 minutes, it turns orange color, which is the first stage of oxidation. Once it stays 30 minutes to 2 hours, it turns dark red. This means there is more oxygen. Hours later, it turns brown. This is the full stage of oxidation. The same thing that happens to apple when you cut it open. So the color you are seeing right now is literally the antioxidant activating. This is a good sign. It means that the good stuff is releasing. Avocado seed also have tons of tannins, same compound in red wine, tea and unripe plantain. What tannins does is that it changes the color of something once it meets air. This is why it stains everything. This is why your finger, your cutting board, your blender turns yellow once you use it for this. This is a natural dye. This is why avocado seed is used as a natural fabric dye in some culture. The color is strong. Instead of using only the avocado seed, I'll be supercharging it by adding cinnamon stick. Cinnamon has a compound that makes it 3 times faster. This compound is a vasodilator that hits differently. It forces capillaries to your scalp to dilate wide open. Avocado seed already boosts circulation, but adding cinnamon, now you have got this highway of blood flow, oxygen and nutrients flowing through your follicles. Cinnamon is also a DHT slayer. Cinnamon is androgenic. It tells DHT to sit down. When DHT is no longer active, your follicle stays in the growth phase longer. Avocado seed blocks DHT. Cinnamon also blocks DHT. Together, DHT doesn't have a stand. The last ingredient we are adding to this is cloves. I will talk about the clove later. Let's finish up with cinnamon because there's many benefits you should know about. Cinnamon has lots of antimicrobials, fungi, bacteria, yeast on your scalp. Cinnamon eugenol, which is the same compound in clove, wipes it out. No more dandruff or clogged hair follicle, blocking your new growth. A clean scalp is like a free estate for new hair to grow. That tingling sensation you feel on your scalp after using cinnamon is your scalp waking up. Increased circulation is equals to increased cellular turnover, which is equals to growth. Some people would have just thrown this into a pot and boil it, but we are not doing that. Rather, we are going to infuse it. We are going to leave it for at least a day. If you're following through this video, the preparation is self-explanatory. All you need to do is get a glass jar or a glass bowl. Put your shredded avocado seed, clove and cinnamon stick into the jar and pour in some water. You don't need hot water. All you need is room temperature water. Now let's talk about why clove is a secret weapon. Clove contains 80 to 90% eugenol. This stuff is a topical growth stimulant. This stuff tells the cell that controls hair growth to multiply. Now let me bust your brain. Clove has the highest antioxidant value of any spice. Now mix that with avocado's polyphenols. You just created an antioxidant bomb that fights free radical aging on your scalp. Clove is equally a thickness booster. Clove increases keratin production. More keratin on your scalp is equals to thicker strands. You are not just growing hair, you are growing thick hair. It is also an itch terminator. Scalp itching, inflammation, shedding. Clove numbs and calm the inflammation on your scalp. Less itching is equals to less breakage and more length retention. Let's leave clove aside and talk about our natural balm for hair growth. It is absolutely ready after infusing for 24 hours. You notice the bubbles on top, right? This means your mixture is alive. Do not panic about that. It is absolutely normal. This just means that fermentation have started, the good kind. Avocado seed, cinnamon, and clove are loaded with natural sugar and starches. When they sit in water at room temperature for 24 hours, the wild yeast, bacteria from air, start eating up those sugar. They produce gas, which is the tiny bubble you're seeing on top. This means that your mixture is naturally fermenting. It's actually awesome for your hair. Fermentation breaks down the compound so your scalp can absorb them better. It is also loaded with probiotics, the good bacteria that balances your scalp microbia and kills dandruff, causing fungi. This fermented tonic are slightly acidic, which seals your hair cuticles, adding more shine to your hair. Avocado seed and clove also has natural saponins. Think of it as plant soap. When you shake the bottle, you will notice bubble pops up. That is what natural saponins does. This is actually very good for your scalp because it helps clean your scalp. Let's get it clear so you know when your mixture is actually bad and not good for your scalp. If your mixture smells like vinegar, spicy, or earthy, it is fine. But when it smells rotten, soured milk, musty, or snail polish, it is a sign that it is bad and you need to throw it away. If the bubbles on top are small and slow rising, it is good. But if the bubble is large with slimy layer on top, it is bad. If the color is orange, red, or brown, it is good. But if your color is cloudy, milky, white film, you need to throw it away. It is bad. The good sign usually show up from 12 to 24 hours, while the bad sign usually show up after 3 days of unrefrigerated. Just look out for vinegar and spice smell. After 24 to 48 hours, open your jar and sniff it. If it smells like spice or wine-like, you are good to go. All you need to do is refrigerate it as fast as possible. Fermentation slows down in a cold place, so when you put it under your refrigerator, it stops fermenting, and it can last up to 15 days in your refrigerator. Before you refrigerate, get rid of the solid. That means remove the avocado seeds, the cinnamon stick, and the clove from the water. If it's present in the water, that is more food for bacteria and it goes bad quickly. Remove it from the water and then refrigerate it. Your mixture is good to go. Fermented tonic usually separate, so anytime you need to use it, you have to ensure that you shake it so the good stuff can come back. The maximum time you can leave this to ferment healthily is 24 hours to 48 hours. After then, do not ferment it anymore because it can go bad from the 3rd day. After that 48 hours, you have to refrigerate it or use it at once. It is not a must you allow this to ferment. You can also prepare it without fermenting it. All you need to do is keep it in your refrigerator the entire time. You can use hot water to infuse it, then use it up within 3 days. But fermented avocado seed water is actually stronger for hair growth because the nutrients are pre-digested. Now let me demonstrate how I use it on the scalp. It's just to tell you that everything I make on this channel, I use it on my scalp. I don't make it just for view. I make it because I use it. My hair has just been washed. I have not even conditioned it, but I just want to demonstrate how I use it. I am still going to store this in a refrigerator and use it much later. We didn't just create a basic rinse. We made a liquid gold. But even Ferrari needs the right driver, right? Now let's talk about the right way to use it. You can use it as a daily scalp tonic for maximum hair growth. Best for thinning edges, slow growth, and overall density. Like I mentioned before you use it, shake it well so it can come back together. Then section your hair and then use an applicator bottle or a spray bottle to hit directly on your scalp. Drench the problem areas with this tonic. Could be your hairline, the crown, your part line, applying anywhere you need to grow hair fast. After that, use your finger to massage like you mean it. Give it 5 to 10 minutes, massage in circular motion. What you're doing is forcing blood flow and the tonic into your hair follicle. After applying, do not rinse it. Let it marinate into your hair. If you have to wash it off, you can wash it the following day, but give it enough time to do its work. But each time I use it, I don't wash it off. I just let it sit on my scalp. You can use this every single night before going to your bed, but do not drench it, just a slight spritz. If you have dandruff, you can use it as a pre-poo scalp treatment or deep detoxification. This is best for people with dandruff, build up, clogged hair follicle, or itchy scalp. If you're using it as pre-poo, you have to use it 30 minutes before your wash day. Drench your hair with it until it starts to drip. Use a bag to cover it up and let it sit for at least 1 hour. Let the cinnamon and the clove kill the bacteria while the avocado seed dissolve the buildup. After 30 minutes, then shampoo it out. You can do a double cleanse if needed. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much for your patience. I really hope you're going to try out this. If you're going to try it out, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Ask your question if you have any, and I'll be pleased to reply. This tonic is a weapon. If you use it for complete 30 days and you don't see results, something must be wrong. You come back with your feedback. Let's know what is happening. Please support me by engaging on this video. Share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.